Hello dear traders, my name is Daria Bobrova and you are watching a daily trading plan for February 25th. So Monday gives us a new week and new opportunities to trade. Let's take a look at the economic calendar. As you can see, for today, the most important event is the speech of the Governor of Bank of England, Mr. Carney. So you know that now the British pound is under big pressure because of the Brexit uncertainties. So if the governor sounds optimistic, the GBP will be supported. In case of the dovish tone of Mr. Carney, the British currency may suffer. Also for today we anticipate the speech of the Fed's member. So you see that it's scheduled for 18 MetaTrader time, and the event is marked as not that important as the speech of the Governor of Bank of England, but still if you have already checked such speeches, you know that speeches of the Fed's members affect the market as well. So I recommend you to follow this speech and see what will happen with the US dollar. So also, as we don't have too many important events in the economic calendar, still we have the market sentiment that always supports traders with information and support trades. So during the weekend we got news that the US and China has a progress in negotiations. Moreover, Mr. Trump tweeted that he is going to postpone tariff rise. So it means that the market sentiment is on and risky currencies manage to rise based on this news. So let's take a look at the technical side. And we will start with the Australian dollar, US dollar pair. So the risk on sentiment supported risky assets and the Australian dollar among them, and you can see that on the daily chart the pair has been rising. Their price was opened with a gap, it's partial gap up, so we need additional confirmation of the rise to open long positions. Until then, risks of the fall still exist, so be careful. But now you see that the pair managed to rebound from the pivot level at 0.7133, and now it has been trying to break above the 100-day moving average. So this level is at 0.7185. As soon as the pair is able to break above this level, we can anticipate a further rise towards 0.7197. However, during the day the news may come, and it means that the risk sentiment may change. If the USD is able to recover, up to now it's a little bit weak, and we have maybe negative news on the Brexit deal or trade talks, so the pair will suffer and will come back to the pivot level at 0.7133. So we see that 50-day moving average lies near this level as well, so the support is anticipated to be strong. However, you should always be ready for the breakthrough of the support, and the next level to break will lie at 0.7085. So also about the longer term trading, you see that on the daily chart the head and shoulders pattern has been forming, but we need confirmation. So you see that up to now the price has been rising, but it does not mean that the second shoulder may be not formed. So we need the pair to break below the 0.7060, and then it will need to break below the neckline. So this level will lie near, let's mark it. So it will be 0.70 let's mark it as 0.7030. As soon as this level is broken, we can anticipate a further decline at least to 0.7923. Until then, the pair may recover and the head and shoulders pattern will be cancelled as soon as the pair reaches and break above the level of 0.7235. So pay attention on the daily chart of the Australian dollar US dollar pair to forecast your longer term trades. What about the 4-hour chart? So you see that up to now bulls have been trying to push the pair above the 200 period moving average, and as soon as the pair closes above this level, we can anticipate a further move up to 0.7175. It will be the next resistance to break above. As soon as the pair is able to break above this level, so it will support a further rise towards 0.7197. It's the pivot level. However, as I said, if the USD is able to recover, so in this case the pair will suffer, and firstly it will need to break below 0.7145. As soon as the pair closes below this level, it will provoke a further decline towards the pivot level at 0.7133. So if this level is broken as well, the pair will keep suffering, and next supports will lie at the level of 50 period moving average. It's 0.7124. the next support is at 0.718 and then 0.71. So a break below 0.7065 will lead the pair to the pivot level at 0.7060. However, we see that this level is really far, so for today we don't anticipate a decline towards this level. The pair will be able to rebound from previous support levels. So what about the indicators? So we see that the stochastic indicator is near to break above 80 level. So as soon as the blue line crosses the red line upside down above this level or near this level, it will be a signal of the fall. Until then, the pair will rise. Moreover, we see that the parabolic has already formed 3 dots below the price, so it's also a signal of the further rise of the pair. So what about the GBP USD pair? During the weekend we got also news on the Brexit deal, and news were mixed. First of all, Theresa May said that the meaningful vote will be by the 12th of March, but also it was some comments by them. Some European authorities. Comments were made anonymously, but still these comments affected the market. According to these comments, the Brexit may be prolonged until 2021. News are not that supportive, but still it something. And as I said, for today we anticipate the speech of Mr. Carney. So you see that now on the daily chart, the pair has been trying to break above 113.93. It's the trend line. So as soon as this level is broken, the pair will be able to rise towards 131.43. It's the pivot level. A break above this level will support the further climb of the pair, and we see that the next level to break will lie at 132. If for today we have the dovish tone of Mr. Carney, and the USD is supported by some news and the speech of the Fed's member, so the pair will suffer and it will turn around, targeting their pivot level at 130.17. What about indicators? RSI indicator is climbing towards the 70 level. Until it crosses this level upside down, still the pair will get a chance to rise. And what about stochastic indicator? Stochastic indicator is near the 70 level, so it also signals that the pair is overbought. So as soon as the blue line crosses the red line upside down, so until then the pair will have chances to rise as well. What about the 4-hour chart? On the 4-hour chart, we see that the pair managed to break above 130.75, and now it has been testing the next support resistance at 130.95. So as soon as this level is broken, the pair will move up towards 131.28. This level should be broken to push the pair towards the pivot level at 131.43. The next resistance will lie at 131.70 in case the pair breaks above the pivot level. So if the pair suffers because of the strong USD and dovish Mr. Carney, so the pair will return to the support at 130.67, and it will have to break this level to fall down. So the next support will lie at 130.49, and in case of the breakthrough, we can anticipate a slide towards 130.28. The next support will lie at the pivot level at 130.17. And what about indicators? We have the stochastic indicator, and it's above the 80 level. So as soon as the blue line crosses the red line upside down, it will be a signal to open a short position. Until then, the pair have chances to rise. That's all for today. Follow these and other trading plans with ABS.